Hi there. This blue-piped hen is currently online on sale at Top Pigeon. Now, her number is 1017 CRU 2022. She's the nestmate sister to Stingray. Now, this hen is bred from my fighter cock to the pretty hen. So she's sister to Stingray, she's sister to the Alice Band hen, and she's also sister to Rayburn. Now this is a perfect handler. You just cannot fault her. She's basically a splitting image of her mother, the pretty hen. Now let's talk about the pretty hen as such. The pretty hen with the fighter cock did produce very well. Stingray, Alice Band hen, Rayburn, just magnificent. However, the pretty hen also bred me Jet Shoes, and Jet Shoes is still today one of my best breeders. Last year, one of his babies flew in Johannesburg and was by far the best yearling for a fancier, even outflying the open birds. Then I mated the pretty hen to Kittel cock from the Turbo Kittel line, and I sold the daughter to Bertus Nel from Koolsberg, and he has a world-class pigeon loft, and she produced him a double winner. Now, the pretty hen is bred from Fred Koetser's Vettel Kittel cock to my racing machine 1142. That's how she is bred. But a half-sister of the pretty hen produced the 2024 Carnival Winter winner for Herman Beam. It was also a daughter out of Vettel Kittel. So when you're buying a pigeon, you're looking for winning ability. You're looking for vitality, resilience, quick recovery, all-round winning ability. Now this is one magnificent hen. I had mated to Rommel, and they bred me a pigeon that really flew away for the rest. So this is the story about this hen. It's an absolute beaut. Currently on Top Pigeon.